Hi, I'm Kyle Friesen, and tomorrow's Mother's Day, so I thought I'd build my mom a gift. It's a birdhouse. First I was gonna go with the roof like this, with the slant, but then I thought, well, that's too hard, so I went with a simpler idea, just flat, so I don't have to work at angles. But before we do any of that, I gotta work on the side walls, as you can see. You can see the total craftsmanship with 4 nails. I got this one 90 degrees here, and then another 90 in that way. Extra stability there. You see that? Nothing's getting through that. Hurricane, nothing. It's awesome. So, first I gotta break up some wood.
This chick's rocking your bro on the dance floor, but she's towing an anchor, a junior investment banker who's talking about herself and not much more. Oh, so buy her a beer, it's the reason you're here. Mighty wingman, you're taking one for the team, so your buddy can live the dream. Wingman.
Welcome back to Pimp My Birdhouse, or just build the birdhouse. Well, as you can see, I got the sidewalls on here. I gotta put this, roof on because the roof is. I was gonna have an angle, but I decided to just go flat. It's a lot easier, just flat. So I gotta tip the birdhouse on its side in order to hammer these nails in. I already got this nail kind of started in here, so it won't take too long to get it in, hopefully. Here we go.
Save yourself! Too bad. Yeah. Dave, not cool.
Refreshingly smooth Bud Light. Always worth it. You see my moves back there? Still got it.
Welcome back, and as you can see, we got most of it done here. I got all the walls on, the roof, whatever way you want the roof to be. So now, all I have to do is kind of put a back wall like that. Like that. That'll work good. So I'm going to do that, and then I just gotta take these 2 pieces here, put them on like that, and that'll be the bird hole, so they can get in and out. Otherwise, it's just too complicated, and I don't have enough wood. All the wood I have here is pretty much crap. So this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to start by hammering this back piece in, like a rock. We'll be back after these messages.
Oh, if only I could swim. I would swim over there. And I would go up and I would say, "Hello, I'm Louie. How are you? Nice to meet you." And then I would grab the heads and I would hold them under the water like this.
Louie, you are one sick lizard.
Yep. Oh, hi. Welcome back. As you can see, we got the back wall on. It's looking pretty good. This stuff, see, it's starting to look like a birdhouse now, as you can see. Okay, so now we're gonna start working on the bird hole, which you guys all know is this, but if you guys have been watching the show. But before we do that, we're gonna go into Kyle's safety tips of the day. First thing you want to make sure is you have a clean and safe environment. As you can see, this is pretty clean and safe. And if you have any hazardous woods, like see I kind of screwed up on this one, it's got some nails on it, just make sure to throw it away. Okay? And another thing is comfort. Comfort is key in a workshop. So, as you can see, I've been sitting on this mat, and my butt's getting kind of sore. So, I'm going to grab this big foamy mat here. Okay. That's comfortable. So now we're going to start hammering this in. Gotta get my nails out here. I'm going to work on the top part first. Well, the way this show has been going, it'll take me about 20 minutes to get these 2 nails put into here. So, let's just listen to these proud supporters of the show, and I'll catch you back in a couple minutes.
Why don't you get us something to cool this fire down?
I got just the thing. I got 2 logs for that fire.
With a great taste that won't fill you up and never lets you down. Make it a Bud Light.
That's not that bad.
As you can see, I had a little screw up here. So, well, I needed some extra support, so I just gotta put this nail in a little here. There you go. Alright, I'll let you see what I've done during the commercial break. I got the bird holes in. You see that? That's nice. Oop, I dropped it. You see? Nothing fell apart because this is good quality. Okay, so we basically got it done. The birdhouse is completely done. Now, all we have to do is install a cord onto it. So first we gotta hammer some nails into the side, as so. That should be good enough. Now, we need to get some cord. Here's a piece of garbage over here. This looks fine. Just let me get this piece off here. Okay, we got the string off. So, we're going to bring it over here where I've already put up these support brackets. I'm going to hang it like that. Just make sure it sticks in. Okay. So now that the birdhouse is done, birds gotta live in a nice house too. So we decided to slap some stickers on it. This is really gonna make it look cool. So we're just gonna slap that on the side here. And here's my special sticker, a little treat that I added for it. You can zoom in on this one if you want there, Mark. Here you go. So there. Now that you have a beautiful birdhouse that's excellently decorated, it's capable of holding about 25 birds. So when you send us your check for $49.95, all you have to do is supply your own hay, and everything else comes with it. You got the little stringer cord here, all the quality craftsmanship that Kyle himself built. So you got lots of room in there. It'll be perfect. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the show. Good night, everybody.